Hello, it's CraftyRia, and welcome to my channel. If you're returning, then welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you some things that I've purchased lately off of this great Facebook group called Scrapbook Deals. It's just a bunch of regular people, and they post different things that they have in their stash for sale. Some of them kind of do it as a little bit of a business, and some of them are just like me, just destashing their craft room, and they put things in an album for sale. Usually you can get really good deals, the shipping is reasonable, and it's kind of just like a group of friends selling stuff. So go check it out. It's on Facebook. It's called Scrapbook Deals. Okay, I have 4 packages. I kind of went sticker crazy, and I thought I could use some of these stickers in my card making. So we'll start with this one. See what you guys think, if you have any great ideas. These are from, most of these are Sticko, and I think most of them were about 75 cents a pack. So that's not really bad. It's a really good deal. And then I paid pretty much actual shipping, anywhere from $3 to $4 or $5 for shipping, which is not bad at all. This first one is bicycles. And for those of you that know me, know that I do ride a bicycle. Actually, I ride a tricycle, a recumbent tricycle. So I always like bicycle things. So I had to get those. And I love owls, so I got these really cool glittery owls. I thought they would be great embellishments on some cards. And then I got these flowers, and those have glitter as well. And again, those would be great embellishments on a card. And then I got these unicorns. I have a friend, she gave me some Christmas cards. Her name's Kathy. The reason I got unicorns, because I thought of her. She got her new ham license, and it had a U in it, and her husband said uniform, Yankee uniform, and she thought it was unicorn. So now we all call her Unicorn. So I was thinking of her, and I had to get these. I couldn't resist. And then these owls, it's kind of fall, your nature nut, fall fun, harvest time. I shouldn't say owls, there's only one owl. Owl, squirrel, and rabbits, and a raccoon. We have a raccoon that was on our front porch for the longest time, causing trouble in the middle of the night. It would come up on our Ring camera. It was pretty funny. Okay, and then now to Christmas stuff, of course, because you know I do all the Christmas cards, and I always need embellishments to help jazz up some of the recycled cards. So I got this one here. These, maybe it's better if I show them to you on a background there. The poinsettias. And then these Christmas words. I always need some good sentiments, either for inside the card or in the front of the card, and I think these would be great for the front of the card. And then there's these that would be good for all kinds of cards. And these cute penguins, these are foil. I'm trying to get the light to show it really good. They're foil, so they're kind of cool. And then we have foil snowmen, which I thought those were fun. And fall Santas, foil Santas, not fall Santas. Did I say fall snowmen? Foil snowmen, foil Santas. I haven't had anything to drink, I promise. And these are snowflakes. And, you know, I use snowflakes on so many cards, so that would work out on a lot of things. So that is my deal number 1. I don't know where to put them. I'll put them over there. Okay. And then this is deal number 2. These are from different people, obviously. Now, some of these I did not order, and some of the stuff I ordered I did not get. But I'm pretty much happy with what I got anyway, so I'm not really complaining. There's these little Jolie's flowers. And then these thought bubbles, and these stickers there. And these I think she sent in as a freebie, these little sock monkeys, and I absolutely love sock monkeys. Sock monkey is one of my favorites, so it's really cool. I'm so happy to have those. And these flowers and ladybugs would be great as embellishments on some cards. My thought behind these was that I would stamp little sentiments on them and use them on the front of the cards. And then we have some epoxy, I would guess, snowmen. I guess they would be, they kind of look like, they have a little bit of a metallic feel to them, and they're thicker than regular stickers. So I would say they're probably epoxy stickers. Very cool. And the foil or metallic ladybugs, that's what I was trying to think of. They're very cute. Great for little embellishments, and of course some fall leaves. It's the time of year for that. And these have metallic gold veins and stems. There you go. It's hard to see it. I've had these stickers before and I've used them, and I like them a lot. And we'll open this one. This one I just got today. And it's such cool things. We have these owls. I'm losing my voice. I have a frog in my throat. These owls are like on craft paper with little gems. And I thought they were really different and very, very cool. This set I thought would be great for fall. They look like stained glass, but they have glitter. They are really, really cool. And we have these little butterflies that would make great embellishments, and they're not really sparkly, but they are glossy, so kind of pretty. And this set I thought was really, really cool. I love flowers like this. I think they're really, really cool. Like whimsical maybe, flowers and stems. I just love that design. Then we have some Christmas, which would be great on cards. Some would say to and from. I can use them on tags. And I thought these were just really fun. The hippos, they're absolutely cool. They're just really cool. I couldn't resist. And these snow days stickers, again, to put on some cards. And I have no idea what I'm going to do with these, but these whales were adorable. I could not pass them up. I'm surprised I only got one pack of them. I'm not really into whales. I do cruises, so maybe that's why, but some have anchors on them, and then the chevrons and the polka dots. I thought they were adorable. I could not pass those up at all. The reason I ordered from her was because I saw these stickers, and I had to have them. So then, a lot of people want like a $5 minimum, which is fine because then you get your shipping's worth. So I had to pick out some extras. And then the last pack, I'm being strategic the way I'm holding the packages so I don't show you the addresses. These are Jolie stickers. They are little snowflakes with some rhinestones on them. Very cool. Very good for embellishing the Christmas cards. And there's some more colorful snowflakes. And again, I think these were like 75 cents a pack, so that wasn't bad at all. And then some holly with some rhinestones, which would be great for the corners of a card. And I really like candy canes at Christmas, so I thought those were really cute, those candy canes. And these fabric owls, felt, I guess they're felt, and stitching, and some paper. They're really, really pretty. I love owls. I also love birds, and I thought they were really cool. And then I got these cute cupcakes. They are very 3D. They have the crinkled paper. That would be great for embellishing on some birthday cards, I thought. And these dragonflies are super cute. They have some bling on them. Would be great for little embellishments. And these butterflies, I already have, I think, a plan for that one. So pretty. They have felt. Not all of them have felt, but some have felt and some are cardstock. Very, very, very cool with metal antenna. And because I like to cruise, I of course had to get those. I don't have a whole lot of cruise stuff, but I do have a little journal that my husband got me for Christmas, a travel journal for cruising. So I thought maybe to put some of this in that, or to just use it maybe on a scrapbook page or something like that. I couldn't resist. Well, that's it. That is all of my crafty goodness that I got on Scrapbook Deals. This is a non-sponsored video. I just wanted, to show you what I bought. Bought it with my own money, non-sponsored. I am not one of the admins or anything like that over at Scrapbook Deals, but head on over there and check them out if you want some good deals on some good supplies. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. There'll, of course, be more videos coming, and I'll probably even use some of this stuff. That's my promise I make to myself. If I buy stuff, I gotta use it. So it'll be interesting to see what I use it for. Thank you so much. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because there'll be plenty more videos coming. See y'all later, and let's get crafting.